Your Genesis provides you with the ability to customize how the doors on your vehicle lock and unlock. You can use the proximity key to unlock the car from outside the vehicle in one of two ways. You can use the unlock button on the proximity key, or you can simply put your hand on the inside of the door handle while the proximity key is on your person. When opening an unlocked door, be sure to avoid coming into contact with both door lock and unlock sensors at the same time, as this can possibly cause the doors to unintentionally relock. The unlock feature can be customized, allowing you to either unlock just the driver's door or all four doors. To do so, go to the door settings screen, select Setup, then Vehicle, then Door. Here you will see two press unlock. If you uncheck the box, then putting your hand in the door handle or pressing the unlock button on the proximity key will unlock all four doors. If you check the box, then putting your hand on the inside of the door handle or a single press of the unlock button on the proximity key will unlock only the driver's door. Inserting your hand again or a second press of the button on the key fob within 4 seconds will unlock all four doors. No matter what mode you are in, inserting your hand in the front passenger door handle will unlock all four doors. To lock the doors, you can press the lock button on the proximity key, or you can press the touch sensor on the door handle to lock the doors. Note that after unlocking a door, there is a 3-second delay before the doors can relock again. Any door lock command sent within this 3-second window will not be recognized. You also have 2 more settings you use to customize the locking features of your Genesis. On the doors settings screen, you can choose when to have the doors automatically lock when you are driving the vehicle. You can choose Enable based on speed, meaning the doors lock once you reach a certain mile per hour, or Enable on shift from P, meaning the doors lock once you engage drive. You can also choose when to have the doors automatically unlock. You can choose Enable at vehicle off, meaning the doors unlock when you turn the vehicle off, or Enable on shift to park, meaning the doors unlock when you shift to park. Or you can turn the automatic unlock feature off. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com.